All right. Hello, everybody. So in this short video, what I want to do is just show you the basic setup for MLA style. I know you've already probably done your MLA exercise. So hopefully you looked at my MLA cheat sheet or some of the other sources to see how to format things. But since I'm re-recording some videos, I thought I would record a short video on how to do your MLA setup. If there's already one that you've had access to, great. But what I'm using here is Google Documents because that's where I do a lot of my work. If you're using Microsoft Word or Pages or something like that, it should be relatively similar. The layout might be a little bit different. So the first thing that I'm going to do is start with the student name, right? So whoever the student is, so let's say my name is Vincent Ugly OC, and the instructor goes next, and the class, whatever your class is, and you don't need the section, just the basic class, English 101, English 102, whatever it is, and then the date, right? So today happens to be the 5th of July, 2025. And we always use kind of the European style for dates in MLA. So it's always day, month, year. And then now that I have that, the next thing that I am going to do is I'm going to go up into the header. So this is where a lot of students will get confused. We refer to this as the header in MLA style, but in almost every word processing software I know, if you double click at the top, you also get a header, which is a little bit confusing, but all I want in the header of the word processor is the student last name and a page number. Now, if you just put a numeral in here, if I just press 1, every page is going to be page 1 according to the header. So what I want to do instead is go to Insert, and then I go down to where it says Page Numbers, and then I have some different options, but I want the options in the top right corner. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Now, they will automatically adjust the page numbers. And I'm almost there. So there are a couple other things I'm going to do. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make this double spacing. In MLA, everything is double spaced. Your header, your body paragraphs, your works cited. So to do that, I'm going to find where it says line spacing, and I'm going to go to double. Okay, now it's double spaced, and I've got my header and my last name and page numbers. I need a title though, and I'm not too picky about what your actual title is, but there should be some sort of title. So let's go ahead and center. So I want to find the alignment button, and when I go to where it says center align, once I'm center aligned, I can put in my title and then hit enter. Okay, now if I start typing now, all of the text is going to be centered, and I don't want that. So I'm going to go back to my align button and align left. Now I'm essentially ready to start writing my assignment. So I'm going to hit tab. So that tab button on the left-hand side of your computer keyboard, TAB, is going to move that cursor in about 5 spots. And then I can begin typing my assignment here. And when I am done typing this sentence or two, I will start a new paragraph. Okay, so I have that, and then next paragraph, I'm going to hit enter, tab, and I can start my second paragraph. Okay, now when I'm done with my assignment, if I have a works cited, I'm going to go back to align, and I'm going to go back to center, works cited, and then I can put in my works cited entries. And I'll cover the actual works cited format for your entries in another video. But that's where that would go. And then after that would be my AI statement. I did not use any AI in the creation of this assignment. Okay. And then when I'm ready to submit, I just want to make sure, of course, that I title it. So let's title it Sample Assignment. And then I'm going to do File, download, and I have some options here. So if you're in Google Docs, just make sure you choose this first one, the .doc or .docx. If you're using Pages, similar sort of thing. The reason for that is I find that .doc or .docx work best with Canvas for me to make comments. And I actually have Canvas set so that you can't upload a different file format. So if for some reason it says that you can't upload, just double check and make sure that you've downloaded it as the correct type of file. All right. If you have any questions on that, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.